Good. Look at that. I'm pretty sure that's a Black Widow, ain't it?
I have no idea.
I don't know, but I've heard those were Black Widow from somebody. Let me know in the comments, for real. But check that out. This should work perfectly. Look, oh my god, it was meant to be, guys. What the heck? What's up, guys? Well, I was going to do a little run on that green one over there. But I think I'm going to use that green one as parts to get this other self-propelled one going. Here's the coil from the snapper we got running the other day. I don't know if it was even bad. So we're going to hook it up on this one to see if it's bad, because this one has a nice flywheel that's magnetized. So this might actually work for us. So tag along as we get this done. We'll see what happens today. Now, same concept as the other day. Plug everything in. Get her up here. Ooh, staying good. Spin that for a second. So we can get our spacer in there. Yeah, that bar is going to be in our way the whole damn time. I don't know what it is. It's some fancy mechanism. Probably has to go with the self-propel or the throttle or something. We got that. We'll turn this back this way. And now, just let this baby sit up there. Just like so. Gotta come over a little bit. We might have to take it off that green one. We need at least the gas tank off there. I know that. So, we'll take what we can. Use what we can. Let's tighten this baby up. Help if I didn't hit the reverse button. Alright, we gotta at least put 2 screws in the recoil so she don't come smacking me when I go to pull that baby. So we'll put one in the right hand corner in the front and the left hand corner in the back. Yeah, I've already modified this recoil from another one because the recoil on this one was broken. And well, they use rivets and don't make recoils easy to just change out. You gotta change out the whole little mechanism, so we made it work. That's the nice thing about having parts, though. Oh, she doesn't want to go in the hole. Guys, will you put some hair around it for me? There she goes. Thanks, guys. I appreciate that. All right. Now let's rig the plug somewhere and see if we got spark. All right, so that magneto. See, guys? Sorry about the weirdness. But that magneto was good. It was the dang flywheel the entire time. You're good, boss man. I appreciate you. Well, we have this one. And well, I actually like how that recoil's set up. That's pretty cool. I wasn't expecting that just to fall off like that. I need to use this gas tank, I think, for that. How? It's a good question, how? We're going to go look in the lawnmower pile. Maybe we have another one like the red one we just did the other day. Otherwise, we're probably going to need this entire recoil set up. And I don't think that's going to work. So we're going to go check our pile quick. All right, here's our pile, and that's actually the gas tank we need right there. So you guys wait here. I'll go grab a wrench, and we'll get that gas tank off. All right, these are real easy, as long as they don't fight me like the snapper one did, and we had to cut it. But that was because the recoil piece itself broke, but this is coming out nicely. Ooh, this gas tank has a crack in it. I hope it don't go all the way through. Oh, it definitely does. Damn.
The sucker one?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, that gas gets shot.
And the gas tank on the other one's like it is on the green one. So we ain't going to be able to use this either, guys. Look, this gas tank has a hole in it. Big old crack right in the top. Dang. Sorry about Joker's naked body, but he said he had one for us. Bro. Just chilling out in the wild? Bro. Dude. Look at that. I'm pretty sure that's a Black Widow, ain't it?
I have no idea.
I don't know, but I've heard those were Black Widow from somebody. Let me know in the comments, for real. But check that out. This should work perfectly. Look, oh my god, it was meant to be, guys. What the heck? Nothing like coming to the old boat launch and seeing a boat. I think somebody abandoned it, so, man. No numbers, nothing. That's just beautiful. Ain't seeing no wildlife, though. Oh, did you guys see that? We did steal the screws from that one. We'll get my 3 screws in. Fill this baby up with some gas. Get the gas lines hooked up, then fill her up with gas. And then we'll see if we got ourselves another running mower. Hopefully this one doesn't fight me. 'Cause I don't like when these things fight me, guys. Yes, I still hate these cans. What do you guys think? You think she's going to start right up? Or do you think she's going to fight us? Alright, there's that. Like, there's no way to prime this one, so I guess we just keep pulling and hoping something happens. She pulls over real nice. No luck. Alright, we're going to give her some go-go juice by taking the air filter off. Because like I said, there's no prime button. Like, need prime buttons. What's that? Oh, look at that baby just drip. Oh, that carburetor's going to need a rebuild. I don't know if she needs help, guys. That carburetor definitely needs a rebuild. Let's give her some go-go juice. As soon as I find the go-go juice. Well, we're definitely going to have to rebuild this carb. She leaks pretty damn good. It's like an auto choke. I don't like them. But yeah, of course they're going to give us more issues than we need, so we're going to take some more stuff off and see what's leaking on that damn carburetor. That stupid little cover off, and she is just beating up. No stopper. So I guess we got to dig even freaking deeper. Tapped her a few times. Look, I'll tap her again. It don't do nothing. She don't stop. She just keeps on coming. Alright, bear with me. It's raining out. We got the carb off. We'll pop this bowl. It's already leaking. I'm pretty sure that's where it was leaking from. Probably could have just tightened that baby back up, but we'll figure it out in a second. Let me get you guys set up, and we'll go from there. Oh yeah. Look at that. You guys see down in there? That's pretty nasty down in there. Oh, where are we? Pretty crummy down in there. Sorry, I keep going off camera, guys. Don't worry, though. I'll delete that out. You won't even know what happened. Pop the bowl back on. I don't have a new press washer for it, so we're going to use that one. Screw this baby all the way up as tight as we can get it. Stick her back on the thingy, the lawnmower. I blew through all the ports I could see. Everything seems to be fine. I think it was just leaking out of this bottom nut. We might need a new press washer for it. I don't know yet. But, you know, we're giving an extra ugga-tugga. There's that. And we're going to stick it back on there. Well, I figured what's an easy way to tell this baby's leaking to hook it up to this one. This is already gravity fed. Just got to take this hose off, pick that up like so. Stick this on like so. Push that over there and turn the gas on. Make sure there's gas in it. Oh yeah. She don't seem to be leaking now. Turn that back off. Well, there's definitely gas in there and she's not leaking now, so I think we might have fixed her, guys. So I guess we'll stick her on the lawnmower and see what that does. Y'all doing all right? I hope y'all are doing all right. You having a good week so far? Mine's been all right. You win some, you lose some, though, you know? Oh, yeah. No, there's nothing to these lawnmowers. Usually you get gas, you got spark, they fire right up. I guess maybe sometimes it's internal, but I haven't dealt with that yet, so. Alright, and then this goes here. And then that spring goes right here. That goes like that. This comes over here. Grab my handy dandy socket wrench. Oh. Help if I was tightening it. That all tightened in right there. Get the fuel line hooked up. And pour the gas back in. All right. Now, as I don't know, there's no primer bulb on this. I think I got everything hooked back up. Nope. Nope. We did something wrong right here, guys. My bad. Take this piece back off right here. I know. Can't do it right the first time, turd. That just went in this little piece, so now this can move. What? No way! Guys, I was expecting that as much as you were. Did not think she was going to go bum as soon as we did that. Now she says no. All right. She wants to, guys. She ain't leaking again yet. This thing auto choke, I tell you though. Alright, I don't like this little thing. Not at all. Look at the cute little baby air compressor. She's so damn cute. What should we name her, y'all? Let me know in the comments, because she definitely needs a name. She's a cutie, though. Got Joke over here putting his new battery on his racing mower. Hopefully we can get you guys drag races or something soon. We've been trying, man. It's one thing after another with these lawnmowers. But look at the cute little baby air compressor. She's so adorable. Aww. Alright guys, I just finished taking the carb off. I poked it out with a bunch of these things right here. You know, I'll clean that baby nice out with some pipe cleaners. So, got all them. We're gonna see what happens, I guess. Give it a little starting juice. Suck anything that's left in the carb out. And I say that's a good running push mower. Let's go test her out. Nope. I didn't feel like undoing my Panduit strap up there, but I say that's a good running mower now. Well, that's 2 for turd. I don't know who I was going against, so that's just 2 for turd. Well, we're going to take her out and see what she can't do, so let's go, guys. All right. we ain't got much left to mow out here, so we're going to try to mow this little section of nowhere with our new and improved Troy-Bilt True Variable Speed push mower. Now, I haven't tested the variable speed yet, so we're going to see how that goes. Now, y'all just bear with me, and we'll see what we can't do. One pull!